Welcome to Snow Savory Secrets. Learn to cook healthy with name is Hype Journal. Stay tuned, follow, subscribe, like, and share.
Hello, everybody. We'll be making beans flour today, and we'll be needing a mortar piece too and our beans. So let's get cooking. So in your mortar, pour your beans and add some water. Then you pound. As you can see, I am pounding. The reason I added water was because the water was not enough. So I'll pound, 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 pound until the beans is soft and the skin of the beans is pulling out. So make sure you pound it very well. Pound it. Make sure you are pounding and turning everything in out side by side under. Bring everything together so that by the time you are done and pouring it out, it is good. So it's time for me now to pour the beans into a bowl. This is a wider bowl. So now this is like the second part. It's a 1 kg bean and I'm doing like the second part of it now. So I'll do the same procedure. So when I'm done, I'll pour it as usual and do what? Pack everything, pour it too because beans is expensive. Now this is how it's looking like, and it's time for me to add water and wash it. So I'm going to wash it. I'm going to scratch it and make sure that the bean skin is off. So I'll continue this for a period of time. Then I will bring my sieve. That is the basket. You can see that's the basket. I'll turn it again so that the ones that settle that will come up. Then I would pour it into the the sieve. Yes, so you can see these are the bean skin, and I'll pick off the beans that fell into it and repeat the same procedure with the same water. So this is me doing what I know how to do best. So I'm going to pour the water right now. You can see that some of the skin, a lot of the skin are fell off. So I'm going to do the same procedure again. I wash, and again pour off. Same procedure. Wash. Oh yeah, making sure that everything is clean. So I'm going to wash it until everything is out because some of them were still hard. So I have to scratch them so that they can go off. So I'll pour it again. I'm going to repeat the procedure until it is clean. So it is time for me to add clean water. As you can see, I've added clean water and I'm going to still wash it again to remove the fewer particles. Although the bean skin cannot go off all because there are some stubborn beans that will refuse to go out. So I'm just going to wash the ones that are still not too stubborn that I would like to remove now that I have removed the skin, that I've removed the softer skin. So I'll just scratch. Then as usual, I'm going to sieve again. I'll sieve. Let's see. I'll say repeat the same procedure. You can see that they are still there. Oh. Those stubborn goats are still there. Oh, voila. I'll still remove once. So it is not bad if you still have some bean skin. It's not bad if you have some bean skin. So all you just need to do is make sure that at least 70% of the bean skin is off. So Now I'm going to turn it. I'm going to turn it. Alright, you can see our beans is almost ready. So those are the remaining small beans. I'll remove the clean ones and now prepare it for drying. I'm going to prepare it for drying. So as you can see, this is our beans. I'm sure you are seeing that there are some stubborn beans there that have refused to remove. But anyways, as it is like this, I'm going to use my hand to pick it. I'm going to use my hand to pick all those things off. The ones that I can pick, I'm going to pick it. The ones I can remove, I will remove it. And the ones that I cannot remove, I'm going to leave it. So look at it. Sorry for the noise behind the camera because I cannot do this voiceover again. I beg, I can't. So you can see I've picked a lot of it. I've picked a lot of them. So I think it is ready for drying. What I'm going to do, okay, I've poured it inside a basket already just because I want all the water to sieve out before I dry it. So this is the sack that I'll use to dry it. So I'm going to make sure that there's no water remaining inside. So it's time for me to go dry it. And see, I have dried them. So as I dry them like this now, I'll be picking any one with the skin out of it. So I'll dry it and I'll be checking it over time. I'll be changing the position because the sun is moving. So the beans is ready for grinding, as you can see, and our beans flour is ready. I took it to a commercial blender because I don't have a blender that can blend this. So our beans is ready. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing to my channel. And for my new viewers, please subscribe, follow me on all my social media handles. Bye. Thank you.
Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on all social media at name research.